Hi there, Premiere Guy here. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I am going to show you how to adjust the speed and duration of a video clip. So, let's fire up Premiere Pro. Why do you want to modify the speed of a video clip? Good question. This kind of effect can be more attractive to the eye, and be more interesting and fun to look at. We have this awesome, low-angle shot of a horse carriage with people walking in the background and on their bike. Very nice. You can actually download this footage from Pexels Videos. I'll put the link in the description down below. Now, let's dig into the fun part. To manipulate the speed of this video, you have to right-click on the clip in the sequence, and choose Speed Duration. The other option is to do the keyboard shortcut, which is Command R for Mac, and Control R for Windows. A little pop-up window will come up. From here, we can control the speed. Let's make the video clip faster, shall we? At the moment, it's 100%, which equals to normal speed. If we want to make it faster, the percentage value is going to be higher. For this example, let's say 150%. And click OK. As you can see, the video clip became shorter in the timeline. And it is quicker now. Let's make it slower. Again, right-click on the clip in the sequence, and click Speed Duration. I think I might change it to half of original speed, which is 50%. Let's give that a spin. We can already see the difference in our sequence. The video clip is 23 seconds in length. This can be good if you want to pull off a dramatic scene. It can also help to get some audio of the mood that you want your audiences to feel. Premiere Pro also lets us modify the speed by changing the duration to how we want it. For this demo, we are going to set it to 13 seconds. Press Enter, or click OK. The video is playing a little bit slower. Should we have a bit of fun now? Let's put the footage back to normal speed first, then in reverse. This option is available on the speed and duration panel too. Just check the box for reverse speed. Click OK. As you can see, the footage is in reverse, but the video playback is choppy. Why, you may ask? Your computer hardware is having some trouble processing the changes that were made, as it can take a lot of processing power to see the effect of it in real time. There is a yellow bar at the top of the timeline, which means that the video can be played, but it may have difficulty playing in real time. To fix this, Premiere Pro needs to render. To render, go to Sequence and Render In to Out. This can take a while depending on your hardware. After it is finished, the yellow bar turns into a green bar. This means the sequence is ready to be played without any loss of frames. Sometimes you are going to see a red bar, which means that you have to render as soon as possible in order to play your sequence. Now, let's look at the results after rendering. Wowee! Smooth as butter. That's it. You have now learned how to adjust the speed and duration in Premiere Pro. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.